We made it.
We made it.
Look at this room.
Airbnb.
Look at this room. We got a mini fridge.
Ooh,
Let's see what's in there. Ooh, some San Pellegrino and some Sargento. We got a nice microwave oven. We can make some pizza in here. We got a TV here. Some nice flowers. Oh, Jack Donuts. That's ours. And look at this salt lamp. We're gonna have good vibes only. Good vibes only. We can make some coffee. Coffee made with Seattle's best. We're in Nashville, but we have Seattle's best coffee here. Some fake roses. Oh no, you know what I want to show you? This is pretty cool too. Lights up. We have our own private section here. You know what? I'm feeling like a 20-minute nap. What do you think?
I can take a little bit of rest.
Like a 20-minute nap?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
And then we can go for some, like the Pharmacy Burger?
Just, you know, because of our diagnosis, we need some burger.
Yeah.
And we gotta go to the Pharmacy Burger for some burger.
Yeah, so we made it.
We made it. Long drive.
I don't think we're going to sleep in the same mattress. I mean, I could, but we have another one up down here that we can pull out. And then we have some extra bedding over here. I might even sleep in the closet. Who knows?
Hey guys, so we're at the Pharmacy Burger and we're about to go in.
Yeah, we're super hungry.
So
the food is going to be good. So yeah, we got our burgers here and I am super hungry. And I can't wait to eat this. Look at this amazing thing. Can't focus.
can't focus.
We're gonna eat now, so peace out.
12 seconds later.
This guy can't finish a burger. He never finishes anything. And Mazzoli's, he didn't finish the pasta. He's not gonna finish the burger. He's a food waster. There's people out there that need food, and he's throwing food out.
No guilt trip.
Wow.
Guilt trip, man.
He should be ashamed.
Two shames.
Two Shanes. Shout out to Two Shanes. I don't know why you call me Four Dance, but shout out to you. So, what are your thoughts?
You know, pretty good. Okay, maybe it's not as good as Burger Jones.
No, it's nothing. Wait, what?
Okay. Okay, look, the first couple of bites were good because I was hungry, right? I liked it. I just didn't like their black bean patty. So...
That was your mistake, getting black bean patty.
Bro, because I need to. No other patty would work for me.
So it's like
good ambiance,
the veggie patty is black bean?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
But I got the barbecue burger. It was the best burger I've ever had. Hands down. It was the best burger I've ever had. So if you're ever in the area, come to Pharmacy Burger.
I mean, I like the area. I like their fries.
Yeah.
They have some other cool
I got
stuff
tater
too.
tots. They were delicious. And this guy could have talked to some girls, but
I'm gonna cut this out. I'm editing
anyway. Yeah, we're going to Wild Horse Saloon, so we'll see you there.